Hi, this experiment is color the crystals. You'll need for this experiment 3 petri dishes, your measuring spoon, 3 pieces of litmus paper, your bag of urea, glue, and your beaker. From home, you'll need dishwashing soap, water, 3 different colored markers, 3 paper clips, and scissors. You'll start by pouring 15 milliliters of water into each of the petri dishes. That's 1. 2. And 3. Into each petri dish, also add 5 large level spoonfuls of the urea. Now, in petri dish number 1, add 2 drops of glue. In petri dish number 2, add 2 drops of dishwashing soap. And in petri dish number 3, add 2 drops of both the glue and the dishwashing liquid. One and 2. Now it's time to prepare your litmus paper. Fold a piece of litmus paper in half. Attach a paper clip to the litmus paper, and then just cut right along the center. Spread the bottom of the litmus paper apart, and this will create a floor. I've already prepared my other 2 pieces. Now we're going to color the litmus paper. With my first marker, I'm going to use blue and color along the bottom edge. Place that, I will place that in petri dish number 1. Petri dish number 2, I'm going to use pink. Color along the edge and place that in petri dish number 2. And for petri dish number 3, I'm going to use mysterious black. And record your results after 30 minutes, after 1 hour, after 1 day, and after 3 days. See the colors of your crystals.